Most people will stay broke their entire life, not because they're lazy, but because they never understand this one thing. There was a young man who worked every single day. He woke up early, went to work, and tried his best to earn money. But no matter what he did, he was always broke before the month ended. He would look at his wallet and ask himself, "Where did all my money go?" But there was never a clear answer. It was like the money just disappeared. A small snack here, a subscription there, a random purchase he forgot about. Little things that didn't feel important, but together, they were destroying him. Slowly, quietly, every single day. That's when he realized something shocking. The problem was not how much he earned. It was how his money was leaving his hands. He had never been broke because of income. He was broke because of money leaks he never controlled. So he made a decision. He stopped guessing and started tracking everything, every expense, every small purchase, every leak. Slowly, things started changing. Weeks passed, then months. And for the first time, money started staying in his hands. He wasn't earning more, but he was finally in control. Rich people don't just earn money, they control where it goes. And if you don't control your money, it will always control you.